levies any additional school fees. And we are going to make sure we follow that. And in case you get any, kindly give us the information.
Well, the basis of their concern was that times have changed. We all understand the current economic situation. And besides that, we also have an issue of parents who are looking for slots in schools. There is a concern coming from some people that principals are asking for money to admit students in certain schools, sort of kickbacks.
Yeah, thank you. You know, admissions are done by the ministry, and that exercise has already been done, so that the principals don't have a leeway where they can be able to admit the students. If it is this particular school, it is done through a computerized system, and that one is already done. So the principal will not be able to have an opportunity of admitting students because that is already done.
There are those students whom you said that they missed out on examination around 2,000, and you're allowing them to join, and they will be sitting the exam when they're in Form 3. How is before they register Form 4? Many are asking how will they be found to go to school?
Yeah, thank you very much. We have been doing an assessment, a kind of mop-up, and initially we were thinking that the number was 9,000, but later on we were able to confirm that the only number we have is 2,000. So we know where they are, and they will be able to be given admission, most likely in county or sub-county schools. They will be able to proceed with their studies because we have a policy of 100%, and after they are done 2 years in secondary schools, we will then be able to administer an exam before they are able to undertake their Form 4 exam.
Are you worried with the